Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Muhammad Sakil Ansari, and today I am going to solve this hacker rank problem based on the string. Problem name is as given funny string. In this problem statement, we have to determine the given string is funny or not based on the given constraint. The given constraint is what? So that I am going to explain this problem statement for better understanding. In this challenge, you will determine whether a string is funny or not. As I said earlier, to determine whether a string is a funny, create a copy of a string in a reverse order. Like a given string, suppose a given string is ABC, then we have to create a copy of the given string in reverse order. Reverse order of the given string ABC will be CBA. Okay. Iterating through each string, compare the absolute difference in the ASCII value of the character at position 0 and 1, 1 and 2, and so on. If the list of absolute difference is the same for the both string, they are funny, otherwise not. For example, given string is LMNOP. The ordinal value of the character are 108, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And for reverse of the given string, PONML, and the ordinals are 112, 11, 10, 9 and 8. The absolute difference of the adjacent element of the both strings are 1, 1, 1. So the given string is 1. Let's move to the function descriptions. Complete the funny string functions in the editor below. For the each test case is to return the string either funny or not funny. This string we have to return if problem statement satisfy the given conditions, otherwise not funny. This is case sensitive, we have to maintain the later also so that we will return exactly the same string, otherwise it will fail the test cases. For the input format, the first line contains an integer, the number of query. The next q line each contains a strings. Let's move to the input, simple input. Before that, I'm discussing this constant number. The first test case can be 1 to 10, and the length of the string will be more than 2 and less than or equal to the 10,000. Okay, it means a string can be a very long. So for each case, our solution will satisfy the conditions. Okay. In the given this simple input, there is number is 2, so 2 test case will be given. AC for the first test cases, value is a string is given AC xz. For the second, BC xz. Okay, we have to create a copy of this given string in a reverse order, and we have to find the absolute difference between 0 index to 1, 1 to 2 and 2 to 3 and so on. For the code explanation, you may see here the S is the given string and the R is the reverse of the given string. AC xz, reverse of the given string ZX CA, and the difference between given string of the ASCII character 97, 99, 120 and 22, 122 and 120, 99 and 97. Okay, difference between 2 and 21 and 2 for the for the string and the reverse string, both for the both the difference is the same, so this given string is funny, but in this case the string is not funny. So let's move to the coding section. Yes, this is the given string and the function, we have to complete this function. Okay, so first we need to uh, convert this string into character array so that we can iterate each string, each character individually. I am creating var type of the value so that it can store any using var data type so that it can store any type of value. Okay, I am giving charr1. This is my first variable. I am s dot to char array. I am converting the original string into the character array. Let's create the copy of the given string char array 2 in reverse order. Okay, so first we have to create a copy of the given string in the reverse order. Then so I am choosing charray1 dot reverse function will reverse the given string, and I'm again converting into the array. Okay, now our string is ready to check with each character with the next subsequent character. I'm going to use a for loop to iterate each character from the both string to validate the conditions. Okay, I less than is equal to char array. We can choose any array from both because both length of the both string character array is the same, -1 and I plus. I am using if condition to check for the absolute difference. Math dot abs, this absolute functions will return the absolute difference between the index 0 and 1 value. Okay, first I am checking ch array of I minus ch ar array. I am missing of I plus 1. This would be the next index. If it is equal to the let's close this and again check for the math dot absolute function charr2 of I minus ch character added 2 of I plus 1. This would be the next index of the second array. If all these thing is all value is thus equal, then we will continue. Otherwise, if it is not equal, then we don't need to check for the next element. Okay, else I am using else return string that is not funny. If this condition is satisfied, then it will not go to the else statement and it will continue the loop. At the end of the loop, if it is not returning the in between, then we will return a string funny. Okay, that's it about this coding. Let's run this code for simple test case validation. Yeah, I make some mistakes here. This is in 21 line. Yeah, I didn't use the length function. Okay, dot length function. Okay. Yeah, making a mistake is not a bad thing, but you need to fix and look for the code where you are making a mistake, so that next time you will take care of this. So let's run this code for simple test case validation. Yeah, it passed the two sample test case. It should also pass the all test cases. Yeah, it passed the all test cases. So this is all about the funny string problem. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.